17. How to get rid of acne naturally and quickly for women and men. Having lots of pimples on your face is certainly not good. Want to quickly get rid of zits but are afraid and expensive? There are ways to get rid of zits that are not harmful by using natural ingredients that are around us. But before you know how to get rid of acne naturally and quickly for men and women, you need to know what acne is and the cause. Acne is a disease that affects the oil glands in the skin. Small holes in the skin pores are connected with oil glands under the skin. This gland makes an oily substance called sebum. The pores are connected to the gland by the canal called the follicle. Inside the follicle, oil carries dead skin cells to the surface of the skin. Acne is not a dangerous skin disease. Even so, if there are pimples on the face, it will certainly reduce the level of confidence. Acne is sometimes stubborn. When there is something missing, one more appears. Sometimes it feels itchy hands to touch these missing acne. Eits, is your hand clean when touching pimples? Touching pimples carelessly turns out to make pimples more fertile. Actually, what causes acne? Let's look at the following article. 1. Puberty. Some people have acne when experiencing puberty or in adolescence. This is because during puberty, sebum produced by the oil gland increases its production due to the increase in the production of testosterone. 2. Hormonal changes. Not only teenagers, even adults can have acne. Usually this happens because of changes in hormone levels. This is more common in women because at certain times, especially during menstruation and pregnancy, there is a significant change in hormones. In menstrual women, regular zits appear before menstruation. Then in pregnant women, the appearance of acne is usually during the first 3 months of pregnancy. 3. Excessive makeup. Especially for women, excessive use of makeup without being balanced with regular facial cleansing will be the cause of acne. Not only excess, using makeup products that do not match the condition of facial skin can also cause acne. 4. Wash your face often. Many of us assume that the cause of acne is because it is less routine to clean the face, therefore you often cleanse your face in a day, can be up to 3 to 4 times. This will actually make your face pimple because the production of oil on the face is actually reduced so that the skin will continue to produce excess oil. Wash your face enough 2 times a day with a mild facial cleansing product. 5. Dirty cell phone. There are still many who don't know that the cell phone we use is very dirty. We often touch dirty objects and then hold the cell phone. Of course, the dirty hands will move bacteria to our cell phones. In fact, according to research, cell phones are 18 times dirtier and contain many bad bacteria compared to door handles on public toilets. Not only contains bacteria, cell phones are also a nest of breeding bacteria. After we hold it with dirty hands, we put it in a narrow and dark place like a pants pocket and bag. Bacteria will party on your cell phone. 6. Unhealthy food consumption. 6. Unhealthy food consumption. Acne can also be caused by foods that contain high fat and are not healthy. This will provoke excessive production of sebum. 7. Squeeze pimples. Feeling uncomfortable because of acne and you want to get rid of it immediately by squeezing. Oops, wait a minute. Are you sure that your hand is clean? Not only because our hands are dirty, by squeezing pimples, we will only press the pore blockage into the deeper part so that it causes acne scars. How to get rid of acne naturally. After we know what causes acne, it's time we know how to get rid of zits. Eliminating acne does not merely use chemical products. Instead of spending a lot of money and the results are uncertain, let's try to get rid of acne naturally and quickly. How to get rid of acne naturally is a lot of methods and ingredients. One of the most effective is to use a mask. There are also mask products that can be made naturally. There is also a factory that guarantees it can be a way to remove acne naturally within a day. However, you can try homemade products at the beginning because they are more guaranteed hygienic and certainly more friendly in the bag. 1. How to get rid of acne naturally with baking soda and water masks. Baking soda, or commonly known as baking soda, is not only used as a baking ingredient, you can make it to remove pimples on your face. Besides regular acne, using baking soda masks can also be a way to get rid of rock pimples naturally and quickly. Baking soda has the benefit of being able to balance the pH of the skin to prevent acne. Not only balancer, baking soda can also be an antiseptic and anti-inflammatory to cure stubborn acne. It's easy, just follow these steps. Simply mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with water until it thickens. Before being applied to the face, you are advised to wash your face first so that the face is clean. Apply baking soda to the face evenly. Wait for 15 minutes, then wash using warm water. After applying the baking soda mask to the face, your face can become quite dry, therefore you can use facial moisturizer afterwards. 2. How to get rid of acne naturally with avocado and honey masks. Avocados are rich in vitamin E, which can penetrate the pores of the skin so that it can relieve skin inflammation. While honey contains hydrogen peroxide, which is antibacterial, the combination of these two ingredients can also be a way to remove acne scars naturally and quickly. The way to use it is quite easy. Take half the avocado, mash until smooth, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply to a clean face. Let stand for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 3. How to get rid of acne naturally with a mask of yogurt and honey. Yogurt contains good bacteria, lactic acid, and alpha hydroxy acids, which can help remove dead skin cells that clog pores and cause acne. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of yogurt, stirring until blended. Apply to face. Let stand for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 4. How to get rid of acne naturally with a lemon mask. Lemon, which contains L-ascorbic acid, can reduce inflammation problems in acne-prone facial skin and can also clean clogged facial pores. Lemon can also make your face bright and remove blemishes from acne scars. The trick is easy. Take 1 lemon, push it in half and squeeze it. Apply to face. Let stand for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. You can also add 1 tablespoon of honey to it. 5. How to remove acne naturally with a lime mask. Lime almost has the same effect and efficacy as lemon. The way is almost the same. Cut the lime into 2 parts, squeeze. Mix with 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply to face. Let stand for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 6. How to remove acne naturally with a banana and turmeric mask. Bananas are rich in antioxidants, potassium and vitamin E. These ingredients make the face brighter and more moist. Lectins that are also present in bananas can fight the bacteria that cause acne. Whereas in turmeric contain curcuminoids, which have medicinal properties for inflamed faces. The way to make it is to first puree 1 banana, then add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder and half a tablespoon of baking soda, stirring thoroughly. Apply to a clean face, let stand for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Don't forget to use a moisturizer after wearing a mask if it feels dry. 7. How to get rid of acne naturally with a garlic mask. Garlic is not only useful as a kitchen spice but can also help eliminate inflammation in the skin due to garlic, which is antivirus, antifungal, antioxidant, and antiseptic, so that skin health will be maintained. In addition, garlic contains sulfur, which is effective in the process of eradicating stubborn acne. Simply prepare 1 onion clove. You can apply it in 2 ways. The first way is to divide it into 2, then rub it on pimples. Let stand for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Or by smoothing it, then applied to a clean face. Let stand for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 8. How to get rid of acne naturally with a tomato mask. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins E and C, so they are good and effective for eradicating stubborn acne. There are 2 ways to use tomatoes as a mask. The first way is to thinly slice the tomatoes and cover the face with tomato slices. The second way is to blend 1 tomato and apply it to the face. Let stand for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 9. How to get rid of acne naturally with aloe vera mask. Aloe vera contains an active compound called polyphenols. Polyphenols themselves are useful as antibacteria. This compound can help eliminate acne. The trick is to slice the aloe vera until the meat remains. Blend with a spoon to form a gel. Then apply it to the face. Let stand for 30 minutes, then rinse with warm water. If done regularly, the pimples will gradually disappear. 10. How to get rid of acne naturally with a cucumber mask. Cucumber contains high water and vitamins A, K, and C. There are also minerals that are magnesium, potassium, manganese, and silica. Cucumbers also have diuretic properties, cooling effects, and cleansers for the face. Therefore, cucumbers are very effective to eradicate stubborn acne. The application is almost the same as tomatoes. There are 2 ways. The first way is to thinly slice the medium and place it on the face. And the second way is to take 1 cucumber and then apply it to the face. Let stand for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 11. How to get rid of acne naturally with an orange skin mask. Not only me, orange peels also have many health benefits. Orange peels contain vitamins A and C, flavonoids, and high antioxidants and high in fiber. Thus, orange peels can shrink open pores, remove stains, and also remove dead skin cells so that it can refresh the dull skin. The trick is to dry the orange skin first in the sun. Then mash until smooth. Mix with enough water. Apply to face. Let stand for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 12. How to remove acne naturally with an egg white mask. The egg white contains the lysozyme enzyme, which can destroy the cell wall of the bacteria that causes acne and also shrinks the pores of the skin and reduces excess oil, which is the cause of acne. Egg whites do smell a little fishy. Therefore, you can add lemon or lemon juice. The trick is to take an egg and separate the yellow and white. Beat the egg white until it expands and mix 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Apply it to the face evenly. Let stand for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 13. How to get rid of acne naturally with papaya mask. Papain enzymes found in papaya can help erode dead skin cells, and their antioxidants can brighten the skin, overcome the redness of the skin due to acne, and reduce inflammation in the skin. Clean the papaya and cut it into cubes. Puree the papaya until it becomes porridge. You can add 1 tablespoon of honey or lemon. Apply to face, then let stand for 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. 14. How to remove acne naturally with papaya leaf mask. Not only the famous bitter papaya leaves can also be an option to remove stubborn acne. The caprapane compounds contained in it are effective in killing unwanted microorganisms. Take 4 papaya leaves. Dry using sunlight. Then mash the papaya leaves until smooth. Mix with water until it becomes pasta. Apply evenly to the face and let stand for 30 minutes. Rinse with warm water. 15. How to remove acne naturally with an apple cider vinegar mask. Apples are fruits that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and high fiber. Therefore, apples are certainly used as the basic ingredient of apple vinegar. Apple vinegar contains high acetic acid and antimicrobial properties. The trick is easy. Pour apple cider vinegar on the cotton and then apply it to the face evenly. Let stand for 20 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Want maximum results? Do it before going to bed and leave it overnight. How to get rid of acne naturally. 16. Using ice cubes. Just as when placing ice cubes on bruises, it works similarly to zits. Ice cubes can improve blood circulation. The smooth circulation of blood can help eliminate stubborn acne. Take enough ice cubes, wrap with a clean cloth and place it on stubborn pimples for a few seconds. Do it regularly until the acne looks deflated. 17. Using steam. Steam will open closed pores so that the skin can breathe. Thus, dirt trapped in the pores can come out. The trick is to fill a container with hot water and place your face on the face. Do it for 5 minutes. Routinely yawning the face every day, especially before going to bed, so that the whole day's dirt can come out. That's the natural way you can do to get rid of stubborn acne. But keep in mind, do not expect this as a spontaneous way to remove acne naturally in 3 days or a short time. May be useful.